Hello, Real Housewives of Lagos enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel, your go-to source of the latest reality TV, drama, and glamour. Today, we're delving into the intriguing departures and surprising returns of key cast members from the Real Housewives of Lagos. Let's call it RHOL. What led to their exits and what brought them back? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Carolina Hutchins, aka its ex Mrs. Danjuma. She was also known as Caroline Danjuma. Caroline made waves in season 1 with her elegance and poise, but was notably absent in season 2. So, what happened? Caroline cited a toxic environment as her reason for leaving. She described her experience as toxic and expressed a need to step away for the sake of her well being. However, fans were thrilled when Carolina announced her return for season 3, aiming to embrace peace over drama. She mentioned squashing past beefs, notably with Laura Ikeji, signaling a fresh start. Public reaction to her return has been mixed. While many fans are excited to see her back, others remain skeptical about the dynamics she'll bring to the show. I, for one, am also skeptical. Next up, we talk about Iyabo Ojo, a prominent figure in the Real Housewives of Lagos. Iyabo chose not to participate in season 2 reunion, citing personal and professional commitment. I'm just guessing on my side it's because of the drama, the chaos, her toxicity, and I don't know. I don't want to use words that will get me blocked. But yeah, she was very toxic in season 2. I guess that's why she never even attended. And I'm thinking that's the reason why she left. Her absence sparked discussions among fans like myself, with some expressing disappointment and others understanding her decisions. So, this season, the latest season, we have 3 new cast members, including Dabota Lawson, Adiola Adeyemi, and Sophia Momodu, adding a fresh dynamic to the show. I will link you up and send a link of the new ladies. I will make a video on the new ladies that are joining the show, so I'll put a link of that video so that you guys can enjoy and see what those ladies are bringing to the table. But their arrival so far has been met with enthusiasm as fans anticipate their new friendship, new rivalries, and of course drama. That is all what we wait for when we're watching Real Housewives of Lagos. I mean, we talk about the drama, the fashion. Those ladies have a good sense of fashion. I mean, the quality of the videos, top notch. Real Housewives of Lagos is top notch. For me, I think it's one of the best reality Real Housewives TV shows in Africa. So, the evolving cast of the Real Housewives of Lagos keeps viewers on their toes, blending personal journeys with glitz and glamour of Lagos high society. I've already mentioned that this show, guys, it brings out the fashion. These ladies didn't come to play. Like, it brings out all the fashion, the drama, everything is just top notch. They go all out. What are your thoughts on these departures and returns? As I said, Caroline is coming back to the show. Iyabo left. For me, I think it's because of a toxicity in the show. That's why she never came back. Also, are you excited about the new faces in season 3? Drop your opinions and comments below. I know some of you have watched the show already and you know the new faces in season 3. May you drop your comments and tell us what you think about the new ladies. What are they bringing? Are they adding value to the show? What's going on with them? Do link us up in the comments and tell us what you think. Above all, my ladies and good gentlemen, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more dives into your favorite reality TV moments. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye.